Hi everyone, Sparkler Sprinkler here. If you're new to my channel, y'all welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I have some more Easter for you. This is more pearls. 3 of them are Easter and 1 of them is kind of a winter scene. I'm just trying to get those, just throwing 1 in with each because I don't have enough to make 1 video for Christmas or winter. So we're going with it that route. It is $9.46 for this one, y'all. And I paid $9.46. I got 1 price match. And this is a 40 by 50. And this one has the inventory sheet thing as well, like the one before, but it looks like it's printed differently. We'll look at that in a minute. Let me get this cover sheet moved down. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors in it. Comes with a standard toolkit. Look at this little guy, y'all. My camera, let me see, y'all. You're zoomed all the way out. Let me get a T put on this. Look at this guy. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what this one has. Because the inventory sheet looks printed differently. Super sticky plastic thing here. Okay. This one is printed up like this. I'm not sure what these are for, but these are numbered 5, 8, 10, 25, 3, 12, and 20. And so are these. Now, okay, let's get a look at this. This one has a 5. Well, if you were in the camera, it would help, wouldn't it? Keep forgetting you're zoomed in so far. Okay, this one has a 5. Your sheet has a 5. Then it has an 8. Then it has 10. Then it has 25. Then it has 3, 12, 20, and 16. Okay, this number right here, this 26ZZ11, is your canvas number. So do not lose your sheet. Okay, let's see if the diamonds are numbered. Do we need that sheet? Let's see if they're printed any better, written any better than the last one. Let's see if there's 3 number 10. Yep, that's what these numbers out here for. This 3 means there's 3 packs of 10. That's these. And y'all, these are the white white pearls, not those creamy colors. Okay, then this is number 16. You should have 1 bag of those. Then these are 25, and you should have 2. And it tells you, I'm assuming the number here means how many pearls. So there you go. These are number 20, and it says you should have 10, if that's correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, that it must tell you how many pearls you'll have. Then these are number 8, and it says 2 packs. We've got 2 packs. It says there should be 80 in there. I don't know if there's 80 or not. I'm not going to count those. And then this is number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see here. There's my 5. There's my 8. There's the 10s. There's the 25. I have no 3. I have no 12. I have a 20 and a 16. I do not have a 3, and I do not have a number 12 diamond. Well, isn't that lovely? It says I should have 18 of number 3 and 10 of number 12, and I do not have. Hold on. Here's 3. Okay. There's the 10. Let's start like this. Y'all, this is... Okay, we've got 1 of number 5. 2 of number 8. 1, 2, 3 of number 10. This is our 25. This is our number 3. There is no number 12. There's 20 and 16. I'm missing color number 12. 10 of number 12. Okay. Well, I guess this will be a return. Where are number? Here's your number 12s. Right here. But there are no number 12s. Okay. This will be a return. I hope the next one is not missing pearls. So I need to write on this that I'm missing number 12. So I know that this is a return. Well, that's not good. And I mean, there's no way to know what pearl that is. I guess maybe I can find some in my other paintings and see if it'll fit the diamond size, and see if I can locate some in that size. Same place that I may try that. The same place that I order the replacement diamonds that I do for the plastic that's on the special shapes. I may try to measure that and see. Find a pearl that'll fit in that space for number 12 and measure it and order me some. I may have some over there. I don't know. We'll look. Okay. Let's see if this one's missing stones or pearls. This one was $9.45. I've gotten one price match on it. And it's the same, just a little different. Let me back out. There are 2, 4, 6 colors in this one. It is a 40 by 50. Let's see if this one is missing diamonds. You get a standard toolkit with it. I keep calling it diamonds, y'all, because I'm so used to diamonds. Pearls. Same type of inventory sheet as the last one. Okay. Alright, that's 14. We should have a 14. Okay, there's a number 12 on here. I wonder if that's the same pearl. Number 10. We should have 2 packs of number 10, it says. Okay, there's our 2 number 10s. Number 6. That's 6. Number 8. We should have 3 packs of number 8. Here's a number 12. I'm wondering if that will be the same size. Okay, so we got 6, 10, 5, 8, 14, and 12. All the colors are here. Okay. I'm wondering if this number 12 is the same size. If it is, I can measure that and see if I've got these pearls. We'll see. Okay. But these are your sizes. Let me zoom in. We'll see if that's the same, if that'll fit that circle on that. If not, maybe one of these will, and I'll know what size I need. And I'll keep it and just get me some, because I didn't think it was only like 6. So it's not like I needed 100 of them. Okay. You get 2 bags of number 10 and 3 of number 8. Okay. So I'll keep it and just try to find a pearl that'll fit that where it's supposed to go, and see if I've got some. If not, I'll order some from Crafts Outlet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just take a closer look at this one now. And then go on to the other 2. Okay, here he is. It's pretty, y'all. Okay, then we have this little bunny. I paid $7.85 and I've gotten 2 price matches on it. Look at that little guy, y'all. Standard toolkit. They make me a JPBH 408. Okay, this one has 7 colors in it. Or 7 sizes, should I say. Look at this, y'all. This is not diamond painted. The entire moon and the bunny, except for his tail and his eye, are all diamond painted. Okay, and this pack is stuffed full of diamonds, y'all. Okay, these are those creamy colored pearls. They're not the bright whites. Well, if my camera gets in. You get one gigantic one, and I'm assuming that is for right here. These do have some rhinestones in it. They're clear. That pack is full. And then you get one of these. Okay. And that, I'm assuming, will be right here. These little bags that they stuff these in, y'all, they're hard to get back in here. Especially when you know, it's full of pearls. Okay, get my little Post-it note and put it in here. So should the pearls get separated, I know which painting it goes with. Okay, let's get a closer look at this one. Isn't it pretty, y'all? I love these things. Okay, and then we have one more that is a winter's theme. I paid $7.15 for it, and I've gotten 3 price matches on this one. Zoom this out for you. Standard toolkit. I need to write a T on this. Okay. This one has 4 colors. It is just winter trees. That's all it is. Very pretty. I don't know how well the pearls are going to show up with this, you know, the same color background. We'll find out. Okay, let me make a postie for this. Just remember, your canvas number here is not on these bags. So that's what I'm making postie notes for, to stick in the bag. Should the diamonds get separated, then I know what canvas it goes to, because I store my canvases separate from the diamond paintings. I'm just going to make me a mesh bag. Wow, that's a lot of these. I'm just going to make me a mesh bag that says pearl, and all the pearls will go in that. Okay. And get this postie put in here. And $7.15 for this one. Okay, let's get a close up a bit. All of those tiny diamonds are going to be in the tree. Down there at the bottom. Alright, y'all, that's going to do it. I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.